and welcome to CAS Academy and Mastery. In today's video, we're going to be making this graphic. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come up here to Elements, and in the search bar, you're going to type in the word Atlanta. We're going to look through and find a cityscape we like the look of and want to put the text on. So I think I'll go ahead and go with this one here. We're going to grab the handles and resize the image to fit our canvas. Readjust it down a little bit so that there's more of the sky showing than of the city, because the sky is where we're going to put our text. So I'm going to click Add Text Box, and we're going to grab the handles and resize our text. Inside the box, we're going to type Atlanta and resize that again, make it bigger. I'm going to change the text here, and we're going to type in the search box TT Blue, and we'll choose this TT Blue Screens font. We'll change the color here to white. We'll make our font bold. We'll click Effects. And then we're going to choose this outline effect, and we're going to change the outline to black, and we're going to reduce the thickness to about 12. We'll tilt the text and drag it down. We're just going to move it around until we find the exact position on the cityscape that we want our text to be. Now we're going to click our background, and we're going to right click and click duplicate. We're going to align it back up with the other image, and now we'll click background remover. Just going to move our text down, adjust it a little bit now that we have the other one on it. We're going to position, and we're going to position our text back a layer, so that way it's behind our one that has the background removed, and we're going to tilt it just so it has just the right position that we want it to have. Have a teenager ages 13 to 18? Sign them up for our Be a Graphic Designer 10-week course on how to use Canva.